This is the activity of floating fishermen in the afternoon on the south coast, precisely in South Cianjur, West Java, Indonesia.
Do you know where Cianjur is? And have you ever visited it? Hearing the word Cianjur is a little strange to foreigners, even though Cianjur is actually only 242 kilometers from the Indonesian city of Jakarta. Even though it's not that far from Jakarta, this is the reality and this is the situation of floating fishermen on the south coast of West Java, Indonesia. They have to work on used car tires which they modify in such a way that they become rubber boats that they will use to catch fish in the open sea. Have you ever thought about what if one day this boat breaks? The fish is the seaweed fish that fishermen usually get. Do you know this fish? Or maybe you've eaten it? Try to say what is the name of this fish in your country or region? Jayanti Beach, which is now known as a popular tourist destination, has a rich historical background and legendary myths. In the 19th century, Jayanti Beach, this is a busy trading port in Cianjur, with merchant ships from abroad often docking to trade with the local population. However, as time goes by, trade begins to fade, but the uniqueness of Jayanti Beach still attracts tourists.